Now I want to show you the funnel that I created specifically for this affiliate promotion. Here is the first version of the landing page that I created. I created two versions because this first one didn't convert too well. I ended up making a second one on the first day of the launch, and the second one converted much better. But let's take a look at the first one I created here. There's some urgency. It says this page will be taken down soon. The headline focuses on the bonus that I'm offering, which is a PLR membership. And the affiliate product that I'm promoting in this case is also a PLR product. So, if you're going to create a funnel for your affiliate promotion, the products that you're offering have to be related to the affiliate product you're promoting. Okay, and I even created a sales video, put a countdown timer. Now let's take a look at the second landing page I created, which converted much better. The headline is emphasizing the actual product I'm giving away. Okay, I'm using the same sales video. Now here is the thank you page. Right after people subscribe, it says, wait, here's how to get a free lifetime membership to my monthly PLR videos. So this is the bonus I'm offering. And in this video here, I talk about my bonus and how they can get my bonus, which is by purchasing the affiliate product through my link, which is right here. Okay, and there's a no thanks link here so that they can be taken directly to their download. Now here is the download page where I put the download link at the top, and on the bottom here again I put the video where I promote my bonus, just in case they missed the video on the thank you page. And again, here's a link, or my affiliate link, to the affiliate product.